Hey, what's up? This is Joseph and welcome to another Photofox lesson. Today, we're going to learn about add. And just like the name indicates, this is a feature that allows you to add all sorts of elements, such as text, shapes, stickers, and more. So, let's begin. The first tool is type. And here, you'll find many typefaces. If you long press on the text box, you can start typing your text. And then you can select the kind of justification if needed. Once you have your text, you can tap on Tools and adjust it in the way you want, like spacing, which determines the space between the characters, or between the lines. You can change the color, add shadow, choose a blending mode, or you can even transform the text. If you want to add more text, just tap on the plus icon. The next tool is Elements. And here you'll also find many presets. And just like type, you also have full control over these shapes, such as color and so on. Then we have stickers, also with the same structure. And remember, you can tap on the eraser and then erase parts of the sticker to create cool effects. Frame offers a diversity of font presets and you can choose also patterns. You also have color, width, opacity, and you can change the position of your image. The last one is meme, which is very easy to use. Just add some text and fix the size. Here's a small tip regarding type, elements, and stickers. When adding them, make sure to do so on a transparent layer so you can have full control over them, like changing size, colors, or position. So that's it for add, but see you on the next lesson. Thanks for watching.